Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you guys can add volume into your hair when it's oily and sticky. And I'm going to be using a dry shampoo to do this. So let's get started. So step one is to make sure that you're using sections. So you can use a tail comb or even use your fingers to make sections on your head. And you want to do this because you want the dry shampoo to directly come on the scalp, because this is where your sebum, your oil deposits are, and you want the dry shampoo to be targeted directly on your scalp so this absorbs all the sebum up properly. Now step two is to make sure that you shake the bottle really well. And the third thing to do is to spray it from a distance of at least 6 inches from your scalp. And when you're spraying, just make sure that you're moving your hands along while you're spraying and it's not static, because this is going to lead to white marks on your scalp. So if you can see, on one side I am moving my hand along while I'm spraying and it distributes more evenly, and on the other side I am keeping my hand static and spraying, and this leads to white marks on the scalp, which takes a little time to remove, so you want to avoid doing that. So follow these steps and spray all over on the right and left and on the top. At the back also do the same thing, remove sections using your fingers, spray all over, and then make sure to massage really well. The next step is to use a flat brush or whichever brush you like and just brush your hair out really well. This will make sure that the dry shampoo is distributed in your hair all over and there are no like sticky and white patches anywhere. So just brush your hair out really well. Now the next step is to add a little bit of lift to the roots, and for that I'm using a round brush and a dryer. Now if you can notice, what I'm doing is I'm only lifting at the roots, and I'm doing this so that the roots get a little bit of volume, and this will add freshness and newness to the hair. So just go in with your round brush really lightly towards the roots and start lifting it out. I'm primarily doing this on the top and sides, but you can use this technique and do this anywhere. And you can easily see there's an instant lift to the hair on one side, and on the other side it still looks very flat. And I'm just going to do this on the other side as well. You can randomly take sections here and just keep lifting the roots, and that will really instantly and quickly add a lot of life and freshness into your hair. And that's how it looks, guys. I'm not going to use a comb or a brush. I'm just going to use my fingers and just set my hair in well. And I have instantly added so much volume in like 5 to 10 minutes. You can totally do this. You can go from sticky, oily hair to your hair looking voluminous and like it has some life and literally looks like you have washed it. You can totally use this technique in between washes when you don't have time, you're rushed. So that's about it, guys. I hope you all like these tips and this video. Do follow this for voluminous full hair, and like this video, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.